be alone again? Could I take you by the hand and never go? Would I tell you that I love you?
Kazuya has finally done it. Kazuya has done something that we shouldn't be proud of. But before we talk about this problem, we should talk about the cause of this problem first, all the way to what happened. This problem started with a friend of mine called Kuma and this game called Minecraft. Kazuya wanted to join, but since I had past problems with Kazuya, I didn't really want to do a VC for a while because I was pissed. Kuma started ignoring Kazuya because Kuma didn't want to play with Kazuya. Because of this, Kazuya started getting mad and blamed me for it by saying that I said something to Kuma, that's why he is being ignored by Kuma. I had no idea that this was happening already because Kuma didn't tell me anything about Kazuya messaging him. My other friend Ayu went to me and told about this problem where Kazuya was saying that we should ignore him. Came to the point where I got pissed because I was getting blamed over and over again. After this, I kicked him out of the server and we never talked about him ever again. After what happened to the very first day, some days passed and Shaw came into the VC of my server. I joined the VC because I thought she was just being alone there and didn't really have anything to do. She started telling her problems, but I couldn't really understand her. But I did hear her say that she was called useless by Kazuya on a game called Minecraft. I didn't really step in with this problem because I didn't want more problems going into me. It came to the point that Kuma and Shaw finally left the server of Kazuya. I didn't know this happened because like I said, I don't want more problems going with me, so I didn't really say, hey, what happened, etc, etc. But because of this, Kazuya strikes with his evil plan again and blamed this on me, who didn't even know what happened that day. But I didn't really think of it that much, because this is just a simple problem and not something to be taken care of. A few days passed, nothing really happened except for the fact that Kazuya kept blaming me over and over again. Until Kuma decided to invite me to a server to join a tournament of Skywars. Kuma and I decided to go into a VC because we couldn't contact the owner, and we couldn't really chat in the server because of the verification process. Kazuya tried to blackmail me by saying that I cursed, which I didn't do, and I have a proof of that, cause I have Kuma on my side and I had a video, which I uploaded on YouTube as well for the mods to see. If y'all are wondering what I said that time, all I said was Kazuya was dumb. He kept saying it over and over again, taking the advantage the fact that I cannot chat because of the verification process being broken. Because of this, I accidentally cursed, which is not allowed because it is stated in the rules not to curse, and so I got warned for it. Aside from Kazuya trying to kick me out of the server by contacting the owner, nothing really happened. This is also the time that I was being called someone's master now, and someone else being my slave. Because of this, one of my friends got mad and decided to go to the server without me knowing. He decided to spam the photo that I've showed you, as well as asking if this is y'all's mod. I didn't know this was happening because I was playing volleyball with Golden Dawn. I said this to him, but he deleted this proof of mine by saying that I didn't even have an invite, and I only had it because just in case you can kick me out, and I must have something to defend myself with. He accused me of raiding everything else that he can do on his power so that he can get me out of the server. I got kicked out of the server. I don't blame them honestly, they were just doing their job. But the mistake they had is that they didn't ask for my side of the story. This is the part where I got pissed off. Yes, this message exactly. I have asked Kazuya countless of times to mic up with me and to settle this problem once and for all. But since he kept canceling the fact that I wanted to solve this, I've decided to go live and finally settle this where he can see it. The live stream didn't really go as planned, but I did have one question in my mind to ask him. And this was the question, how is slavery a joke for you? Up till now he hasn't answered the question and I'm still thinking how it is a joke for calling someone my slaves. Well, that's for today's explanation video. If you do have more questions, I'll leave my Discord name and tag below, or you can ask it on my comments. I will make sure I will do a follow-up explanation video to answer your question. And Kazuya, if you are watching this video, I hope that you do answer my question sooner or later and make an apology to those who you called they slaves. Special thanks to my friend for giving me their screenshots to help me make this video. Without them, this video wouldn't be uploaded. I will be leaving out their YouTube channel link in the description below, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.